Good morning, besties. I feel so much better today. Thank goodness I'm no longer sick. I knew when I woke up I was gonna feel better, so it just took me 2 days. I need to say good morning to my puppies, and I've never shared this before, but I do this thing every single morning where I sing this like good morning song to Sunny, and then he runs through my legs, and it's kind of, I don't know, I think it's cute. The boys are already beefing, but I'll see if I can get him to do the good morning song right now. Let me see. If you don't like baby talk with dogs, I kind of like sing and like, whatever, just enjoy. Good morning, Sunny. Good morning, Sunny. I love you, baby boy. Good morning, Sunny. Good morning, Sunny. I love you, baby boy. You are my best friend, better than the best friend. In case you were wondering why I put all of these packages on the couch, this is stuff for Christmas decorating, and the cleaners are coming and I need a place to put it, so I figured the best place would be to put a blanket down on the couch and then put all this on here. These are the tablecloths, and this is a garland to go across the table. These are outdoor huge inflatable ornaments I got off Amazon that are so pretty. It's like a pearlescent ball and then like a gold hardware to look like an ornament. They're so cute. I'll try to insert a picture and try to link them down below. But I have all of this here to get ready for decorating, which I'm so excited. I'm so ready to get past the cleaning phase of Vlogmas. I'm taking a quick break right now, but yeah, I'm so ready to get past the cleaning. I feel like all I've been doing these past 10 days is cleaning, and I seriously hope Vlogmas hasn't been too boring. However, if you're going through similar things and are also not an influencer, we're in this together. And honestly, I might keep up all my Christmas decorations through January just because I like to savor them a little bit longer and I haven't been able to. However, I have been staring at my tree. She's gorgeous. This is where we're going to be cleaning next. I got the kitchen done and the living room done. Well, almost done with the living room. I just need to finish the TV stand, and then we just have to do dishes. And then the second floor should be ready for the cleaners to come. I also think Luke is coming today to install the light fixture in the mirror. I'm so excited. I hope he can. I looked at the directions to see if I could do it myself, and I've never worked with like electrical before, so I was kind of nervous to do it myself. But yeah, I'm just going to take a second to relax. I might go get my coffee, look at my tree, watch the fireplace. And then that reminds me, oh, the garbage bag is right here because it's easier just to bring the garbage bag to me when I'm cleaning. I still need to do the wire cable management down there. I'm definitely in a much better mood today. I'm feeling so much better, which is, I'm so happy. I mean, I still don't feel 100%, but I'm able to like function, which is all I need. Here are the knobs that I chose for the cabinet. I think it'll look really good with 2 on there. I know it's kind of hard to visualize, but yeah, I think that's gonna look so good. And then that's the trash can. It's like a sensor trash can. It's really cool. That's gonna go in here, but I just have it up there for when we clean the floors. But I'm so excited. It's starting to come together. I'm just gonna keep those in there for now until we get the screws. All right, besties, the cleaners just left. They did an amazing job. It only took them a few hours and they dusted everything. They cleaned the floors. They got all of the little stuff that overwhelms me to do. They did the bathrooms, the counters, everything. Everything is looking so fresh and clean in here. I'm so happy that I got the collar for the Christmas tree so we can finally put that on. I think we'll do that tonight. It's like 3 and I haven't had lunch yet and I'm so hungry, so I need to figure out lunch. They even cleaned the fridge. Like, that fridge is shiny now, which is crazy. It looks so good in here. I put the chairs up there. They didn't do that. I just didn't know if it would be more helpful, so I'm gonna put those down and I'll probably sanitize that part of the counter tonight. But other than that, sorry, the lighting is so bad. And if you've been wondering what is up on that fridge, it's a new light fixture for that. Because this light fixture, I don't like the color. It came like rose goldy, and you know me, I wanted like a brass tone. Clean and fresh in here. So happy about it, which means tomorrow we get to decorate. I'm so excited. Literally, I have been waiting to decorate since day 1 of Vlogmas. It has been a struggle. So I'll pull all of that stuff out tonight. That way in the morning, we can just get started and see what we have. And then whatever we need, we'll order and go from there. Okay, so I got the Amazon bins in for the pantry to put the wine away, so I want to do that. I also never eat lunch now. It's dinner time and I'm really hungry and I shouldn't have done that. The sun is like low-key in my eyes, but it's fine. For the past few hours, I have been shopping like a madwoman for stuff for the house. I literally got a patio furniture set, well, like 2 love seats basically for our balcony, so I'm so excited, and that's coming tomorrow. And I got it on Wayfair. It was like 1-day shipping. I was like, that's wild. They must have like a warehouse here or something. We got a pressure washer because the Christmas lights came in for the balcony, but we need to pressure wash the balcony first. Literally, it has been a very expensive month or year. It's been an expensive year. It's okay though. This is all stuff that we like literally need. So what are you gonna do? But let's put away the wine. I think I'm gonna make chicken nugs again because I ran out of like meat. I need to go grocery shopping. I literally always run out of fruit, veggies, and meat. Like, I have everything else in life, but I'm always out of fruit, veggies, and meat. I've literally been drinking protein shakes to get my protein in. But all right, let's grab some chicken nugs. Here we go. I mean, I do have frozen meat, but I'm like overheating. Can you see my face? It's so red. I'm all over the place. Y'all fit in this cabinet great. The cleaners literally even clean the inside of my toaster oven. That's amazing. All right, let me make some nugs. Also, I was like shaving under my chin and I like cut myself. So if you see that, it's not acne. I literally just am a hot mess as per the usual. Normally you guys don't get to see how much of a hot mess I am when I'm uploading once a week. It almost felt like a lie doing those videos because I'm like, I look so much more put together than I am. So off center, I have to do that one over. Nick and I got the tree collar on. It looks so good. I wish I could get it all in frame. But look how beautiful the collar is. It does have 2 seams, but it doesn't open. So Nick and I literally had to take apart the entire tree and then put the collar on. But it's a really pretty bronze, like gold color, I mean. And it just matches the aesthetics. It matches like the accessories I have, like this gold tray and all of that. Oh, hi, you can see me. Time for us to do our daily advent calendar, my favorite part of the day. 10. Sunday Riley Good Jeans. I used to use this a long time ago, so it's so nice to have a little travel size so I can try it out again because it's been 2 years about. What a fun surprise. Besties. We have reached the end yet again. It has been so fun today. We got a lot accomplished. It was kind of busy today, but tomorrow the festivities finally begin. We are going to decorate. We're going to put some pizzazz in this home, give it some life. We'll figure out what we need because I want to see what I have, and then we'll figure out what we need, and then maybe we'll go shopping if we have time. It depends on, everything. We didn't end up being able to get the mirror and the light fixture done today, so I can't show you that. Hopefully we'll get that done really soon, and then I can update you on the bathroom progress because it has been a fun little project we had. But all right, besties, I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching the video. And if you watched it all the way to the end, you're the real MVP. Y'all are the best. I need to go edit this so you guys have a video to watch. Bye.